Welcome students. Today we will start new topics, prime factorization. So first see the example. Find the prime factorization of 360 by division method. Find the prime factorization of 360 by division method. So 360. First we divide the smallest prime number. This is 2, and that become 180. Now again 2, 90. Now again 2, 45. After this will be divided by 3, 15. Again 3, 5. Now 5 is not divisible by 3, so last 5. So prime factorization of 360 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization, means a number which have only factors as a prime numbers. This is called prime factorization. Now next topic is find the HCF of two numbers. HCF means highest common factors of two numbers. So first method, factor method. Find the HCF of 27 and 36 by factor method. So first write down the factors of 27. Factors of 27 is 1, 3, 9 and 27. Now factors of 36. Factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now write down the common factor. Common factors of 27 and 36. 1, 3. This is 1, 3, 9. Now highest common factor is 9. Now highest common means HCF is 9. This is the factor method. Now second method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Find the HCF of the HCF of 27 and 36 by prime factorization method. So first write down the prime factors of 27. This is divisible by 3. Now 27, its prime factor is 3 into 3 into 3. Now write down the prime factor of 36. 36 divisible by 2. Now prime factor of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now check the common factor. HCF will be common. Here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. Now 2 is not common in 20 factor of 27. So 3 into 3. This both 2, 3 are common. So HCF become 3 3 ja 9. HCF is 9. Now next method is continued division method. Continue division method. Find the HCF of 27 and 36 by continued division method. So first we have checked that which number is greater. Now greater number is divided by smaller number. So here 36 is greater than 27. So divide 36 by 27. Now next, if we divide, this is go to 1 times, and 36 subtract 27, 6 minus 7 9. Now this remainder 9. Now again we divide the 27 by finding the remainder. Now this 27 is divided by 9. Here 9 3 ja 27. Last we get the remainder 0. When we get the remainder 0, then last divisor is become the HCF. Last divisor is 9. So HCF last divisor nine. So HCF of 27 and 36 is 9.